Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this Tineco S5 wet dry vacuum. I've been using this for a few months now, and this is a great vacuum to have to clean your hardwood floors, your tile floors, any hard surface that you need to vacuum and mop. So let me show you the different features that it has and how well that this vacuum works. So this is how the vacuum looks. This is your power button right here. This is to change the different modes. And then once the vacuum is on the base, this is to self-clean it. This is where you put your fresh water in the back. And this is where the dirty water goes. And there's the roller brush that picks up any wet or dry messes quickly and efficiently. So then once you turn it on, you see that it displays the battery level, and then when you bring this down, it turns on. If you press the setting button, you switch it to how fast you want it. You press it again in auto, so it changes depending on the level of dirt that it senses. So when you're ready to use the Tineco vacuum, you're going to fill it up with some clean water in the little tank right here. You fill up to where it says max right there. Then you're going to close it. Shake off any excess water that might have spilled. Then insert it in the back. Now I'm going to clean up some coffee beans, ketchup, and a milkshake that I spilled on the floor. So you're going to press down here and turn it on button. Let me see how well that it cleans. Now here's the coffee beans. Now I'm going over the ketchup. And now the milk. So you can see in one pass, it cleaned it up. So it's on auto mode. So it senses how dirty the floor is, and it mops it as I'm going. Now I'm going to clean the hardwood floors under the sofa. Let's see if we can do it. Unfortunately, this does not lay flat, so I can only get in with this vacuum until the tank hits the bottom of my sofa. So this does not lay flat. But other than that, it has a very strong suction, and it mops and cleans at the same time. When I'm ready to clean it, I'm going to turn it off. And then I have to lift it up and turn it around to put it in the charging base. So like here, and then I could press here to self-clean. So now it's going to self-clean. So it's going to take off all the dirty water and put it in the front right here. So you can see all the dirty water that it cleaned up from the vacuum. Then when you're ready to clean it, you take off this piece and just empty out all the dirty water. You can see how much it cleaned, and just rinse this out. And then reinsert this, and now you're ready to go again. Overall, this is a great wet dry vacuum to have. I like how big that the sewage tank is and the water tank. I also like how powerful that the suction is and how easy it is to clean up the wet messes and the dry messes at the same time. And I like that the battery life lasts around 35 minutes per charge. And I like the cleaning base and that it self-cleans itself. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.